So I've been eating really awful. I'm gonna show you guys my like doTERRA morning routine. So I've been eating really awful the past couple weeks. So I decided I'm gonna do a round of GX Assist. The reason being is because it has caprylic acid to kind of calm down and tone down on the amount of candida and fungal overgrowth, because I was really prone to that. It also has oregano leaf oil, melaleuca oil, lemon peel, lemongrass, and peppermint and thyme. You only want to take this for 10 days on. I'm going to do 2 a day for 10 days, maybe 3 a day for 10 days. Probably going to kill this bottle, but 10 days on, and this literally will help to rebalance. It gets rid of all the bad guys, and then afterwards you'll just do like a round. You want to make sure you're eating really good while taking this, and afterwards. And afterwards I'll do a round of targeted probiotics, which are also doTERRA. They have a super strain in them. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to hit the gym today, so I'm going to show you guys what else I'm going to do. I'm going to do my Mito 2 Max. So I'm just going to grab stuff as I go. So Mito 2 Max, GX Assist. I'm going to do a turmeric shot in aloe. So I'm going to put 2 drops of turmeric. And I also want lemon, but I don't know where my lemon is. And then I'm going to take my Zendocrine too. So Zendocrine in there, and then I do need that lemon. I think it's not over here. It's probably in here. It is. I have so many oils, guys. It's so funny. So I'm going to do my lemon and my turmeric, and that's a good start to the morning. So I'm super bloated right now. Don't mind my little bloated belly. But I'm going to show you guys. I've had people ask me about using oils inside the belly button. This is what I teach my team to do, is to be able to use, this is Helichrysum, really healing oil. I'm going to put that in there. You want to get real deep in there if you got it any. And then massage it in and around. So this reaches all the different parts of your body. It's so good. And then I'm going to follow it up with some balance. I'm going to let that absorb for a second. And while I do this, I can read you the benefits of Helichrysum. So give me 1 second. So Helichrysum is tissue repair, bleeding, so it can stop wound bleeding. Keep in mind, you guys, this is no medical claims. Like, this is just what's inside the book. They do not affiliate with any brand, but I exclusively use doTERRA, and you can follow the link down in the box below to get yourself some oils. As soon as you sign up for a membership, you get a kit. You pick which kit you want to do, and then I reach out to you. You get added to our group, so it's really awesome that way as well. So if you want to learn more about this and come to my webinars and all of that, I would definitely do that. So my favorite kits are the Healthy Habits kit and the family kit, because you're getting so many different oils that help with so many different things. It can help with eczema and psoriasis, shock, tinnitus, viral infections, and cholesterol. So I went ahead and used that inside of my belly button. It's also very antibacterial, anticoagulant, antispasmodic. So it helps with a lot of things. So I just go ahead and I use that in my belly button. Now I'm going to use the balance, and let me see if they have the blends in here too. I forget what balance is called. It may be called the grounding blend. I think that's what it is. Yeah. So you have to like match up since it's not affiliated with any of the oils. This one has spruce, knit, hoewood, frankincense, blue tansy, and blue chamomile. Helps with stress and anxiety, focus and concentration, emotional grounding, meditation, neurological issues, which you guys know I dealt with a lot with my breast implants and breast implant illness from all the heavy metals, the toxic heavy metals. And then it also deals with stress-induced inflammation, so it's going to help to, with the frankincense is really going to help to de-inflame. And I'll show you guys what I look like, you know, tomorrow. I'm going to try and be really good about food today. I'm going to go ahead and put that in. I was really bad last night. I did have some gluten. We had dinner together, and then afterwards we had some treats, and so I'm paying the price for that. And then it helps with balance. So you can apply 1 to 2 drops behind ears. So I'm going to go ahead and do that too. I'm just going to put a little bit on my fingers and put this right behind ears, and good to go. So I often get asked how to apply my kidney blend, and I'm going to show you guys. I already put a little on my palms, and then you're just going to rub it right into that low back. and massage it in. I always go downwards. You can do clockwise motions. You can do little like pushes down on your sides. Go down like this. It feels really good. This should be like a nice massage for you. And then I always take the excess and I just kind of put it right near the belly button. And work it in, work it in. Hey guys, so I want to take you inside of my bathroom and just show you like a little combo you can do if you are dealing with like candida or anything like that, like fungal overgrowth. You can tell by looking at your tongue. So if you stick your tongue out in the morning and you have that nasty white stuff, you can use a tongue scraper, but another thing you can do on top of that is use a drop of melaleuca, which is tea tree oil. I only recommend using doTERRA. If you need doTERRA, go to the link in my description, sign up with the family pack or the healthy habits, and then you can add on extra oils if you'd like, and start building from there. Or else you can just go out and get a huge kit that we have, like go all out on it. A lot of my clients wish they started that way because you get every single oil for every single remedy, and trust me, you'll use all of them. Like I have oils everywhere in my house and I use almost all of them, to be honest. The ones that I don't use the most are like cinnamon and things like that, but that's, you know, or the blends, like sometimes I don't use the blends as much, but you know, they're really, really helpful. So anyways, clove is really good for oral health, so you can do a drop of each and brush it on your tongue. So I just put them on my hand. Like I put one drop of each, I dip my toothbrushes in there, and then I brush. Over a week, you should start to notice major clear up. As your system gets cleaner and cleaner and cleaner, you're gonna notice that you're not gonna have such intense reactions. So really helping to boost the kidneys, the adrenals, and all of that using Zendocrine every single day really, really helps to detoxify the body and to boost those organs. So I hope that helps. I know that some people get discouraged when they start off on this journey, but don't get discouraged. Just like keep going and it gets better. Okay, so I have like a million errands to run. I just fed Nicholas his cheese, so he's up there just chowing down. He's being really cute. And somebody's under their cheese. Is it warm under there? I'm sorry. We usually have to keep Lord in a separate room just in case. Hey, you just dropped all your cheese. He gets so excited when he sees me, guys. Look at this. Hi. Hi. Come here, baby. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Hi. 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 Who's a good boy? You're a good boy. Hi. Hi. Aw, you're so cute. Oh, he found some more cheese. Is that yummy? Is that yummy? That tastes good? Where's your brother? What is he doing? These two could keep me busy all day long. Look at this ham. Someone's ready to move to Florida, guys. I know 3 of us are ready to move to Florida. Isn't that right? Look at this. There was cardinals. I don't know if they're still out there, but there was cardinals out there earlier today. Yeah. Pretty cool, huh? Were those your friends? So, I want to talk a little bit about foods. I've had people asking me, you know, what's the best foods to eat for total health? And the thing is that, you know, what we eat, it really is chemistry in our body. So it's kind of like taking a medication or, you know, putting people talk about alkaline foods a lot or acidic foods a lot. Every time we put something in our body, our cells have to do something with that. They have to break it down. It creates a chemistry within the body, and it's either used by the body or it's seen as poison by the body, or it's expelled quickly. Like if you've ever had food poisoning, you know what that's like. And that's just kind of like the key to it, is finding out what the best chemistry is for your body. Well, hello. We got a little Elmo thing going on here. Am I the only one who thinks this is so creepy? Like, what is that? And it has begun. So on my way to run a couple errands, and I stopped off at Starbucks, of course. Here's what I ordered, guys. Grande cold brew, a little splash of coconut milk, and 2 stevia monk fruits. And it was so nice. The guy in Starbucks was like, we made this for you for free. Like, we're not going to charge you for it because we made you wait. And I was like, oh, well, time to pay it forward. So I tipped him the same amount that the coffee was going to be. So he was super nice. You guys, this is my favorite person in the world, Lena.
You want to see my socks?
Yes. Thank you, Lena. So I'm leaving the mall, but picked up my Tiffany order. This is my charm I got. It's a little pink sapphire. It says Coram Deo, which is my favorite Latin saying. It means in the presence of God and doing all things for God. So it is abnormally warm for a December day in Indiana. So nice out. I'm like literally not wearing jacket, nothing. So I'm about to go in the gym, but I want to talk about a really weird detox symptom that I have had, is that I have crunching and cracking in my back. So like I had a back that was so stiff and so tight that massage therapists, chiropractors were like, you are like, this is a mess. Come to find out through all my research, it was lymph stagnation. So as soon as my kidneys started working, as soon as my adrenals were boosted, it all started to break loose. And literally it's so gross, but I had like a clicking shoulder. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It used to be so much worse than that. It would click and pop, and my neck and my scalenes were so tight that my massage therapist was like, what is wrong with you? Like my entire back felt like cement. Since detoxing, it's so crazy. I've gotten so much flexibility back. I can now go like this. I used to not be able to even turn, like this would have been so painful. So if you are, detoxing and going for it, know that it's a long road, but it is so worth it. I am going to be taking you through a little bit of my workout today. So you guys know that I do not typically work out, but now that I have more time, I'm definitely going to start. And now that I'm feeling better, if you're chronically sick, I would not be working out. It does create a lot more lactic acid, lots more acid. Sweating is good, so going in saunas is really great. Right now I'm just walking at an incline, 2.5, 7% grade. So what I'm gonna do is every 2 minutes, I'm gonna bump each of these up until I start getting my warmth going. And then I'm gonna be doing a little bit of abs today, because abs are the core. Gotta strengthen the core. And look at how nice and beautiful it is out. Can't wait to move to Florida for sure. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of weight training and some stretching back there. About to do some stretching with my tennis shoes still on. Let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and take these 5-pound weights. And the point is to like really burn out the muscles. So as you guys know, I've been doing a lot of Pure Barre. And so what you want to do is just really squeeze at the top, and then as you go down, almost put like a resistant band type effort into the come down, where it feels like someone's pressing on the weights. It makes it feel like 5 pounds all of a sudden turns to 100. And turn to the side so you can see. And this has dramatic impact on how your muscles will respond, and on all the small muscles that will start to respond as well. So it's extremely good for the smaller muscles. So I'm going to do this, and then I'm also going to do out to the side like this, and then I'm also going to do up to the front like this, out to the side like this. So 3 sets of 15 each, and then up like this. And I won't bore you guys with me actually doing it for you, but that's some exercises you can do, which is 5 pounds. You can get these at like Target, so no excuses, you can do it at home. So if you guys followed my fitness videos back when I lived in Vegas a couple years ago, I used to use this in-body machine quite a bit. So my weight is gonna be 116.9, so I have gone up in weight due to holiday eating. My body fat definitely has gone up. So I was at Whole Foods yesterday. I'm gonna hit up Trader Joe's today. There's a couple things I want to get to cook for Babe tonight. I don't even know if we need a full cart for this trip. Lord. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got at Trader Joe's. So I got carrot spirals, I got cauliflower, organic cauliflower rice, and I also got this organic green vegetable foursome. It's in the frozen aisle. All of this was in the frozen aisle. And I'm gonna be making a red Thai curry with all of this in there. I also got some tahini because I really like tahini. And then I got coconut water with aloe vera juice. I've been on a really big coconut water kick lately for added electrolytes. So important, especially because I started working out again. And then organic stock vegetables. So actually what I'm gonna be making right now, and I just made some tea. Hi. Say hi to YouTube. So this I'm going to be making a risotto. So I don't know if you guys have made risotto before, but it's a little bit tricky. I don't know if I have to shake this up. Probably. Yeah, shake well before using. It always helps when I read things before I do them. Up to go to bed. I have some detox tea here. I took one of my Serenity Restful Complexes. This helps me to sleep at night. So it has L-theanine, it has lavender, lemon balm, geranium chamomile, and passion flower. I put this on my upper back, my neck area, because that's where I usually have pain. So this has basil, copaiba, turmeric, frankincense, lavender, Siberian fir, and marjoram. Super good pain reliever. Better than Tylenol. And then I rolled this like all over myself. I love it. We usually have a diffuser here, so that's where this comes in. But I'll just kind of put this all over the pillows. And then I'll probably roll out tonight. So I'll go get my doll face serum and I'll start rolling.